As soon as we close our eyes, we drift into a world of our imagination, a world where joy rules and smiles prevail, a world we want to live in. But then, a realization steps in and we find a dire need of an entity that can realize such dreams. Fishva Biogenics, an entity envisioning to create a world of health and happiness with a facility designed on science and technology with a focused acumen. Fishva commences his journey from pharmaceutical sector by formulating of antibiotics and other life-saving drugs with the brand name SPAN. And now, Fishva enters in manufacturing of biological active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is APIs, with GMP approved and CGMP compliant manufacturing facility and also equipped with GLP certified laboratories. As per government vision to promote biotechnology and also upcoming trend towards biological drugs with no side effects against synthetic drugs, Fishva Biogenics committed to manufacture high-quality biological drugs. As the pharmaceutical industry is always riding on the cutting-edge technological innovations happening around the world, Fishva created its niche space in this industry across the world. Fishva's manufacturing plant spread over the vast expanse of 30,408 square meters at Rajkot, Gujarat, India at good environment-friendly location. The company has a vision to become a leading domestic and global healthcare organization and biological API manufacturing company through innovation, quality, competence, and cost-effective products. The mission of the company is to improve human welfare by manufacturing high-quality API ingredients and biological bulk drugs and maintain vital long-term partnerships with the business partners. Fishva has a world-class facility which is bifurcated mainly into two processes in which upstream processing activities cover complex fermentation and bioconversion projects, including the subsequent recovery processes involving a broad range of technologies and products. At the same time, downstream processing activities mainly cover diverse operations like whole broth extraction, cross-flow filtration, membrane filtration, evaporation, absorption, resin chromatography, crystallization, filtration, drying and more. Everything ensuring the best-in-class technology and machinery support to achieve superlative results. Fishva's radical solutions are indeed a synthesis of technology and nature camaraderie, as it is the continuous watchfulness of an expert and experienced team of microbiologists, biotechnologists, engineers, chemists, and technocrats at every stage that the onus from the quality never shifts for waivers. Apart from a fully supervised, safe and hygienic manufacturing process, Fishva extends the promise of highest quality products and services through well-developed and documented quality management system. Company's quality assurance process ensures that all the necessary actions and initiatives are taken to vouch purity, safety, and effectiveness of the products, where each employee is trained to adopt a zero-tolerance attitude to quality. Fishva Biogenics has various types of biological APIs and bulk drugs as immunosuppressants, antibacterial, and antifungal and many other life-saving drugs. The list of accreditations that Fishva has achieved for its hardcore commitment to quality and meticulousness has also helped the company to establish and nurture a bond of trust, loyalty, and selflessness support with its valuable clients. While the company is already accredited with State FDCA, State CGMP, GLP, and ISO 9001-2015, and it runs ahead with the goal of other regulatory accreditations like European Union GMP, US FDA, and others. Fishva's clientele includes some of the reputed pharma companies in India, and the company envisages some good partnerships with pharmaceutical companies in different continents. To support and strengthen this aspiration, Fishva has an asset in the form of the most intelligent, energetic, and committed professionals bubbling with new ideas and better solutions. Fishva offers them the most conducive work environment, where they are encouraged to think out of the box, where they are given the opportunities to sharpen the skills and enhance their competency, where they are rewarded for their endeavors, and where they are taken well care of, as well as by cultural events, health checkup camps, safety trainings, and CSR activities. The legacy of care, compassion, and commitment to quality that Fishva demonstrate is also reflected in all the other group companies with a shared vision of serving nothing but excellence. Fishva Biogenics Agri Division has an objective of promoting, manufacturing, and offering bio and organic fertilizers by vision of back to nature. Fishva Rubbers Limited exports rubber to more than 22 countries of the world. Right from 1971 till date, the company has achieved a very firm metamorphosis with an unwavering focus on quality and customer satisfaction, which has earned it the most loyal customers and the great repute. Fishva Agri World Limited is engaged in production and export of quality groundnuts to European countries for human feed, bird feed, and more. It is an EU certified company with ultra-modern plant and machinery. It takes passion, persistence, and pure intention to defy the norms and define the same that budgets innovation. And above all, it is the ability and courage to perceive things differently that forms the foundation of innovation. Fishva Biogenics, redefining and revolutionizing healthcare with a vision to promise hope, find better cure, spread relief, and show care for health and life.